So in this video I'm going to start talking about roots. Now, unlike leaves and flowers, you can't really see roots. So what's the purpose of making a video about them? I think the answer to that is because they're very interesting.
You have to remember that in the case of a tree's roots, they can often be supporting over 50 tonnes of timber 40 metres above the ground, whilst drawing up in excess of 100 gallons of water per day.
If you've ever seen a huge tree come down, the first thing that you tend to notice is just how shallow the roots really are. They don't go down very deep. Even a giant tree like an oak or something like that would only probably go down a metre, which is just up to my waist in depth.
That's because tree roots tend to grow laterally or sideways, as this is where all the nutrients are found, near the surface, in the topsoil. So how far sideways do roots normally stretch? Well, in the case of a broadleaf tree, as far as the crown. In the case of a conifer, the roots will stretch out around half the height of the tree. But some plants' roots do want to go down, and these are called tap roots, the sort of thing you get with carrots and parsnips. Roots aren't just for anchorage or absorbing water. Roots are also where plants store food, just like an underground larder really. So the next time you're eating a carrot, just remember,
you're basically eating all the carbohydrates and nutrients that the plant has created and stored inside.
some plants have fine fibrous roots so that they can collect the micronutrients they need from the soil, while others use their roots to hold onto rocks for support. And in the case of the swamp cypress, well, it uses its roots to live in water by sending up snorkel-like root tubes for air. And some plants don't even need soil to grow in. They've evolved to live on the water and let their roots float freely beneath them. But one of the strangest roots have to be those of the banyan tree. The seed from this tree is blown into the branches of another tree, and gradually it lowers its roots down to the ground below.
And finally, I'd like to tell you about a fungus that lives on the roots of some plants.
It feeds on the sugary sap that the plant creates, but it returns the favour by giving the plant microscopic nutrients that the plant's roots struggle to obtain from the soil around. This is called mycorrhiza.
See, I told you roots are interesting.